white, and beef.
And I'm gonna get some ingredients here. $7.49 for a little over a pound and a quarter. The top $5.99. Ooh, it's on sale. $1 a box. 5 for $5. We got whole peeled tomatoes. That's $1.99. And Parmesan cheese, which is $5.79. But I got some American Chop Suey is an American pasta casserole made with ground beef, macaroni, and a seasoned tomato sauce, found in the cuisine of New England and other regions of the United States. Outside New England, it is sometimes called American Goulash or Johnny Marzetti, among other names. So today, we're going to be making American Chop Suey. American Chop Suey, we're cooking with Kevin. We're going to start with some water in the old pan here. We're going to bring that up to a boil. Awesome. We're going to prep some small rigatoni, number 73. A pound of rigatoni. A pound and 12 ounces of whole peeled tomatoes. Whole. He said whole. And then we're going to chop up one pretty good sized onion. And of course, we got the red, we got the white, and now we have the beef. Nothing more American than red, white, and beef. We're gonna season that meat with the Italian there. And we're gonna throw some onions in there. We're gonna use about a half a tablespoon of garlic salt. And we're going to use some black pepper. A tablespoon of black pepper. Tablespoon of black pepper. Black pepper. Alright, it's getting warm, so we're going to season the water. Alright, I got onion. And I got a knife. Cue Wilhelm scream. Cut off one end. Cut off the other end. Got a slit. Take off top couple of layers. It's fighting me. There we are. And there, we're going to chop that up into bits. Get rid of all the extraneous material. Extraneous. That's a nice big word. Is it extraneous or extraneous? Is it minestronious? The pasta's $1. The tomatoes are $2. The beef was like $7.50 for the meat. $2 for the tomatoes. $1 for the pasta. $1 for the onion. Ah, see? You gotta be careful of that. You can't grow back fingers. So, always best to err on the side of caution. I'm gonna err on the side of caution. Now chop my fingers off with the knife. Ow! So, we're doing American Chop Suey today. This is, my mother cooked it this way, and even though some places on the internet say that this isn't American Chop Suey, my mother says otherwise, so everyone else is wrong, just period. That pile. One more wheel to chop up. Nice. Smells like a Whopper. Okay. So we are going to put the onion in first. Oh, it's making me cry. So we got the pan right here. We're just going to scrape that right in there. Some olive oil, just a little bit, coat the bottom. Blip, blip, blip. And we're going to put in a dose of Italian seasoning and a little garlic salt. Just a smattering here. We're going to do this again with the meat once we get this. We're going to cooking the onions first. We're going to put that on low. And we're going to let those cook for a little bit. We're going to open the tomatoes. I always like can openers. It's so handy. And we're going to dump that in. Okay, now the water's boiling. And we're going to add, I'm losing it. I'm losing it all. It's going. Alright, we're going to add the tomatoes in there. We're going to take some more Italian seasoning. Cover the top. Same thing with a little garlic salt. And just a bit on the top. We're going to cover this. And we're going to microwave this on low for 5 minutes. Putting them right in here. in through the magic of editing. 3, 2, 1. Happy American Chop Suey. Mitts. Oven mitts. Look at that. Oh. So the pasta is done when it's soft. It's al dente if it's still got a little rigidity to it, but we're gonna go for a little softer, pasta. All right. Oh. All right. So we're gonna rinse that. We're gonna rinse this with cold water. There we go. Stick to itself. Very much. Alright. There we go. And we're going to transfer this back into the pot. That goes back into the pot. We're going to add the tomatoes right in there. Give it a good stir. Listen to that sizzle. So we got the yellow onions cooked just about to where they need to be. We're going to add the ground beef. We're going to add the meat here. Yeah. Now, if I'm correct, the meat is brown. We have the red, we have the white, and we have the beef. American Chop Suey. Add a little Parmesan cheese. Yeah, there we are. Alright. And there we have it. American Chop Suey.